Bantu bakithi, this is Babu Dr. Baba Sizibojabulile. Ngiyathanda. Firstly, ngiyathanda. Ngiyabonga kakhulu i-support enisinika yona. I am nothing but to make me something. Bakithi asiyikhulume le nto. Now we are on June. No, we are November. Sisalelwa ama-shootings awu-2 kuphela. I understand le nto yakho ungabi sober. There is something wrong kuwena. Especially wena ngisho. Do you know ukuthi mina ngakha ama-bookings njengamanje ka-7 January kuthi nabantu sebebhookela uzongibona ngo-7 January because ama-booking they're filling up very fast. Thina ngomhla ka-7 January sekunama-patient alindele ukuthi azothathwa amagazi because misivula wonke ama-patient athathwa amagazi kuthina. Nje sivula nje ngisho ukuthi wena awukho serious lokuthi isikhathi sisekhona. But I was telling somebody else that just 1 hour, it is made by split seconds that accumulate up to 1 hour. To have 1 hour, ushuthi 1 hour is very fast. Engisho ukuthi wena lento yenzayo uyiqala ngoJanuary but uyishintshe futhi uyibotha kuyona leyo ezokusiza. Angazi ufuna ukutshela ubani. Oyibotha yona ezokusiza. Today I've got a topic that says unnatural chemicals. Bakithi ake sikhulumele. This is inyanga ngokwe qualification mengiba serious. Ngino grade ngino standard 4 5 6 ngilapho nje. Ngisho ukuthi eziyizinto engiyishoyo please don't take them serious because ikona phela ukuthi lento ekuyinga ayizange yavela esikoleni kodwa kwasami ipoverty. Uyabona ukuthi uthi kubambile. Ikwenza zonke izinto ezikade uzenze la shame. Poverty yabanzi abanye abantu. Okay, into engizoyisho la namhlanje, it is so important in a sense that it will be your first time ukuzwa into efana nalena, but all I'm saying is this: if this channel cannot educate you, very few things will now be able to educate you, because lento ukuthi uhamba udlushe piece, that alone it shows that i-background, i-foundation yakho ayinansi insimbi phansi, kunoplastic kuphela ngaphansi. Kunezinto that you're supposed to be knowing very well ukuthi nje ukwazi ukwenza i-CV ungena udlushe piece. Awukwazi. Even umuntu wesifazane, the way you apply your roach, awukwazi ukwenza apply i-roach uzibuka nge-cellphone. Take time uma ufake i-lipstick. Ayingagcwalela. Logo akukodwa kutshengisa ukuthi you got basic information about yourself. What basic information about yourself. This is Babu Dr. Baba Sizibojabulile. Lana ngifuna ukukhuluma something that is very very athi ngeke uyithole kwenye channel lento engizoyisho la. I'm breaking about that. Literally this time I'm breaking. There is no way. This channel, it must be a channel yakho as a learning channel, a channel that tells i-reality njengoba injalo. Arsenic sinama product okufuza ukuthi ngabe anama warnings njengo cigarette ukuthi be warned, this product has an arsenic. This is what it causes, like allergy. Abantu abaningi bahlushwa ucinana esifubeni. Azathatha isifuthu umntwana omunye ohlushwa i-allergy kanti ekhaya kune wallpaper. Yabona umulele hotela ene wallpaper. Ngathi mekusubuvula ama window same time. But ngoba ungasuthi ngathi ulalelo angazi lento ngathini. Ngathi uvalelwe ebhuthini yemoto. Because umoya wakhona i-oxygen is so limited because i-ening oxygen i-disturb ukuthi kukhona arsenic around. Arsenic is not for human consumption. Ngisho arsenic yayi right for big holes indawo zaziyinkulu zazi-right ukuthi zifaka ama-wallpaper. You understand? But manje ama-camera lesilakona 4x4, 4x3 musufake i-wallpaper. I-wallpaper produces what is called arsenic. You breathe arsenic as long if usahlala kuleya ndlu. Tell your father to remove that wallpaper. Mama, njengoba ingane i-asthmatic kanje, asiqale ngokuthi sixebule lento esifakela udongweni, sifake upende. That's number 1. Come to kubantu besifazane abafaka ama-lipstick. Umuntu ofaka i-lipstick kuyafana angazoyibeka kanjani le nto lana umuntu ongazi uzogula nini uselinda usuku le-admission kodwa one way or another more likely lo muntu ukuthi abe ne-breast cancer abe ne-oral cancer abe ne-esophageal cancer ngisakhumbula ngisabala nje umuntu nje ofaka i-lipstick wesifazana kuzoba umuntu osebenza ukhanda ama-truck maningi amathuba ukuthi engabhemi ukuthi angaphathwa i-cancer umphimbo i-cancer amaphaphu okhanda nje ama-truck ohleze kuduma ama-truck lapha again because of ama-exhaust fumes they produce what is called barium. Your lipstick, it has a chemical ingredient called barium. Barium is prone to cause cancer. By far, buza abantu abane-cancer amabele iningi labo they once used lipstick. Your lipstick has barium. But most of the time, those cheap lipstick made by Chinese and India and Bangladesh and Pakistan, they're carrying a lot of barium because barium ibasiza ukuthi ba-produce more lipstick than other. But try to buy something a little bit expensive that has barium free. Bantu besifazane, come to cobalt. Cobalt, it's not made for us actually. It's supposed ukuthi yenze ama-battery it's supposed to isebenze kwezinye izinto but today siyithola nasemzimbeni wabantu i-cobalt having a lot of cobalt around you it may cause skin cancer. It may not well, it may cause skin cancer because being exposed to cobalt it's not a good thing altogether. Ngoba sizobheka abantu nje abanenkinga yokuhlaselwa yi-skin cancer abantu abaku-first world countries. Reason why they use dishwashers, imishini le yokuwasha izitsha, imishini yokuwasha ingubo, it produce what is called cobalt. Sinento ke esingeke size siyazi ngoba sobe siqala ukuyizwa. Lento itholakala kubantu abafaka ama-eyeliner. Nabo lento abayifaka labantu besifazane sibuza ama-eyeliner. When you use it quite often, it may cause blindness. It may promote blindness when. Reason why, it has an unnatural chemical called antimony. Antimony. A-N-T-I-M-O-N-Y. Antimony chemical. It's bad for your eyes. Please start to do something else. It is bad for your eyes. Mese kuzothi ke umbuzo ukuthi babudokotela khona buy lawa abizayo. I'm not sure ngaze ngiqiniseke ngalawa abiza ukuthi awanayo yini ilogo i-antimony. Face powder lento yabo lento esimasaja ngayo esiphephetha ngayo mesovela ezitudo kanjalo nje i-right leyanto but kufuze ukuthi silikhulume iqiniso. One of the ingredients that is used there. One of the ingredients that is used. Abantu understand ukuthi ama-falls they are taken from powder that is baked into kwakhiwa amazinyo ama-falls. I-ingredient esebenzayo laphayana titanium. Titanium iyasebenza. And having titanium in your face is not good for your face because you invite izifo zazi njenganani njenganasi cancer yesikhumba. Cancer yesikhumba. Yeah, umbuzo ukuthi babudokotela into sithatha ngathi usijwayela kanje wena. Ngena kwi-reference, ungene ku-Google ubhale ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthola lencwadi online. Dr. Hulda Reger Clark. Dr. Hulda Reger Clark. How you will spell Reger? It's R-E-G-E-H-R. Clark, C-L-A-R-K. Ufuna spell nalo nto futhi. Hulda. Hulda akhona H-U-L-D-A. H-U-L-D-A. Hulda. Hulda Reger Clark. She studied this and published like 3 books or something. Okay, fine, angikho ke lapho. Asikhulume ngento esibiza ukuthi i-cadmium and copper, cadmium and copper. Ikakhulukazi i-copper siyithola from amapipe amanzi lasemadala. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uyagula kodwa unento traces of heavy metal emzimbeni wakhe because amapipe la amadala they produce a lot of rust that is called cadmium and copper, and then that has to be looked at by omasipala ukuthi amasipala how often do they change amapipe lawa asuke efakwe because they carrying a lot of heavy metal into our bodies. Okay, ake ngikhulume I don't know why under abantu bathi mina mhlawumbe ngoba ngigangile cha ngiganganga ngigcine ukufaka under it was 2010 ngicabanga 2010 yeah. Sibe nenkinga ngise SBV clinic kufika abantu abaningi besilisa la kuhamba khona under baba nokuluma okulapho noba nokujabuka. Sabuka futhi siba nokubuka kubantu besilisa abane prostate ukuthi abantu abane prostate augmented bawu 10 bonke bafaka ama-under laba bantu. Kwenzekani na? Abantu abanenkinga ukuthola abantwana kwabawu 10 bafaka ama-under futhi. Kanti yini i-under kanti inani? Kunento lapha kwi-under kufuna ngitshele yona. Lapha ku-under yazi futhi madoda emhlabeni sofa sihamba. I-under yakho it has been washed by a soap detergent that is carrying PCB chemical. That chemical abafuni ukuyisusa labantu abakhinsipho. I-PCB chemical awukwazi ukuyisusa mesisingenile engubeni. Ngalo ndlela i-under yakho because it is 20 layers and thick lapha it carrying lot of those traces of chemical compound called PCB chemical. Leya chemical leyana yebo salwazi kubantu besilisa it more like ukuthi yenza into esibiza ukuthi ozoospermia or ozoospermia depend ukuthi ubiza kanjani. Ukushoda kwama sperms, defecting of ama sperms, thola ama sperms umuntu anamakhanda u2 or anemsile u2 yabo because leya chemical leyana is too close to home kubantu besilisa. Thereafter siyacela ukuthi abantu besilisa ake nigqoka ama trunk niphume kuphela kulento ngoba size sibe nenkinga nje yo prostate enlargement nani nongabathola abantwana it because of the chemical leyana. Comes to eye pencil, there's an eye pencil and there's an eyeliner. Those are not the same thing. Come to eye pencil. Eye pencil has a chemical compound called chromium. Ake lana ke iset ngizoyisho kodwa funa ngisho ababaningi abantu abasenza. Uyabona amakhandlela la kade wakhayisile. Umusu siwacishile. Funa wafaka kuplastic, wabophe ngeplastic wabekela because as long lapha kuwena they produce a chemical compound called vanadium. Igiza logeza ngayo. Njoba ishisisela amanzi in thermostat. It produces a chemical compound called within lamanzi ogeza ngawo igiza anento esibiza ukuthi vanadium. I-vanadium siyithola kakhulu kwi-gas lesipheka ngayo. It's a pollution. We should not have something like that. Lena ke ngihleze ngisho babudokotela akayifaki iring. Babudokotela akayifaki iring. Babudokotela akalifaka izinyo legolide. Babudokotela alifaka anginayo insimbi mina. Literal anginayo insimbi noma kuphi. Insimbi nje anginayo. Into eyenzekalo kubantu abafaka insimbi they more likely to have iBP ephezulu kuhamba kwesikhathi. Because of nickel at deposit. Kubantu besilisa ke iring ifaka leya deposit leya nickel iya break down into chemical compound emisingena ama nanoparticles akhona. There's a chemical compound called nickel. Low nickel ke even your mirrors must not have a stainless steel or a steel frame must be limited just to hold the glasses, otherwise ingahlali la because of that chemical compound. Lena ke ngizoyisho kodwa angeke nginitshele konke khona okunye kuzonithusa. Lena siyithola emthini okuxubha. Yabona lemthi okuxubha cheap le u3 ngo5 rand. inomuthi chemical compound esibiza benzocaolium and zirconium. Benzocaolium and zirconium. Zirconium chemical we told from the cheapest toothpaste. Sizoba ke labantu mina isinkwe sithosiwe angisidli isinkwe sithosiwe. Isinkwe sithosiwe sinento esibiza ukuthi i-tungsten. Tungsten yenza i-cancer, ayikho into esingaluso ukuchazela yona. Yenza i-cancer yamathumbu. Simple as that. If ufuna ukuba ne-gastric cancer, idla isinkwe sithosiwe. We cannot beg you further than that. Tungsten promote cancer of the intestine most of the time. Thereafter comes to, ake sikhulume ngo-asbestos. U-asbestos sibone izindlu ziqaqwa, sibona abantu beboshwa kuthiwa abantu othi imali ka-asbestos e-Free State. Okay, fine, angikho la, but u-asbestos utholala kuphi kanti u-asbestos? U-asbestos utholala kuma-roof sheet la siwasebenzisa akhiwa ngani ngo-asbestos. Who said that? What about your hair blower? Does not have asbestos? It does. It does. Ibhande lomshini, umshini lo washa ngayo, dry clean, it does. It does have you got asbestos, even traces of your garment that you are wearing. It has asbestos. Because lo mshini unebhande. Lela bhande it has, and inwele zakho uziblowa njalo ngo-asbestos. Manje mesibheka u-asbestos one sheet kuphela, ufuna sikhulume nangeblower yenwele. Ufuna sikhulume nokuwashwa kwama-dry clean ukuthi sebeyikhipha yini amabhande lalapha emshinini. Abakakhiphi namanje futhi ngiyabakhipha. This is Baba Dr. This is Logic. Yeah, bengifuna ukuthi ngeninike nje lesikole lesinibe naso, nizosidocumenta, nisiresearch ngoba lihlakaniphile. Ngiyajabula ukuthi kodwa manje usuzokwazi ukuthi lento uxupha umxuno ngomshini ngomuntu oxupha, thatha lento uyilahle. Because you are putting zirconium empilweni yakho, you don't need that. Isinkwe sithosiwe nje hlukana nje naso because there is a lot of tungsten lapha. Yeah. Bakithi lapho dokotela bawesizwe wajabulile senifundisa mahala, nithatha izinto mahala. Ngiyazi nginiphani manje, ngifuna ukufundisa umuntu wokugqirha. Umuntu wokugqirha. Lo muntu wokugqirha lona wenziwa ama-Nigerian kakhulu. Bathatha iqanda lenkukhu, bathi pastor's egg, bathatha iqanda lenkukhu balibilise. Emhlabeni bathatha iqanda lenkukhu balibilise. Mase belibilisile leqanda, ngiyakufundisa nje, learn this. Thatha iqanda lenkukhu nje ulibilise, yes, boil it. Take an egg from the chicken and then put it in your mouth. Don't break it. And then lihlafune la. Namagobolo lihlafune nawo konke. Lihlafune nawo konke. If you want to test that, take a dog. Faka lento emlomeni nje inja ihlafune. Ihlafune itigwimi usubothi ungakwazi uyidubula ngeke ukwazi. Qanda nje kuphela. Ekhola ke nawe lento manje. Amkhola zonke izinto lezi. Okay, asingeneke. Uma ufuna ukwenza lento le, there is a special water that you need. There is a special water that you need. Lawa manzi uma ufika laphana eUgeri bezokunika la manzi. Ilitha bafuna 1,000 rand yase South Africa. Ilitha. You need like 2 liters. 2,000 rand. Walawo manzi. It's a special water. Not all waters are cheap. Some water are very expensive. Lawo manzi lawo, to get lawo manzi, it's not easy. It's not easy. Do you know what athola kaphi la manzi? We have to speak to a woman who is pregnant. Ask that woman to urinate in a dish or a bucket up to 2 liters. And now use that egg to boil. And they have to eat it. What is expensive is it is urine. Umchamo womuntu okhulelwe, it is very rare but very potent. I mean very, very potent. If you can find one, I can tell you something that will do magic. Umchamo womuntu okhulelwe. Cha umuntu okhulelwe does secret. That is what you do if ufuna ukwakhela umuntu into okugqirha. Find that water and use it. My channel has 5,000 people watching it, but if viewership yale channel kaBaba uDokotela, most of the time, if video eyodwa, people they watch it 3 times. Watching time it's more than 80%. And then ama video kaBaba uDokotela, since the channel it is so small, they are shared more than. Because I remember one video that was shared, it has a viewership of 700,000, just one video. Just one video. Thank you very much, good people. Thank you very much. Yeah. This is Babu Dokotela. This is what I've been loving all. Thank you. Goodbye.